Hey, I'm in my van. It's dark out, but it's wonderful here. How you doing, Dr. Dave, the RV dummy? Where am I? I'm actually in my driveway outside of my house. Well, because of what's going on with the coronavirus and social distancing and lockdowns, everything is shut down basically. Every campground, every park around me, they're all shut down. But I'm here in my van, in my driveway at night. It's dark out. And you know something? It feels great. I love this. It's so peaceful and quiet out here. I don't know if I'll sleep out here tonight or not, but I just love being here, drinking some hot tea and hanging out. I was talking to an RV friend of mine the other day, and we were thinking about this. Are vans, RVs, especially Class Bs, because they can be driven as regular vehicles, even though I did a video a short time ago saying maybe it's not the best thing, but they can be driven as everyday vehicles. Are they going to become more desirable, more expensive? I don't know. In this crazy time that we're going through, it's kind of like a safe place to be. Driving down the road, you've got your own bathroom, you've got your own sink, you've got your own stove, you can cook a meal. It's like a hotel room, a little hotel room on wheels where you can go anywhere. And especially now that everybody wants to be distanced and not touching things, maybe, just maybe, these things are going to be more popular and more valuable than ever. I don't know. Only time will tell. We'll see. I got a really nice letter that I want to read from a comment from a subscriber. Let me go ahead and get right into this because I just want to talk about it for a couple seconds. It's so important. Dr. Dave, so many of us talk about simplifying our life, but for whatever reason, we just don't. We stay in that spinning rat wheel of accumulation and debt. Well, instead of daydreaming about it, I'm doing just what you encourage to a better life. I've had too many loved ones pass away, not reaching their golden retirement, and all too soon. What I've learned from all of this is when you know the end is near, they never speak of not making enough money or working more years. They all wish they spent more time with the ones they love and the things they love. Signed, well, be safe and best regards, Coco Needham. Coco, guess what? You are so right on the money. I've said this, I've been preaching this and teaching this for so many years. The most important things in our lives are the simplest things. Being with people that we love, doing things that we love to do. Like I said, I'm just sitting out here, sitting in my van, and I feel content. I feel good. I feel really good. It's so simple. And like I've said for a long time also, the money, making more money, having bigger things and more things, it does not, at least it doesn't add to my happiness. I've done it both ways and it does not add to mine. It's just the conversation with a friend or sitting down with Yoko and Boo Boo and just maybe watching a movie on TV or something like that. That's what life is about. Spend more time doing the things that we love. That's all I have to say today. I'm going to figure out whether I'm going to be here tonight or go back inside. Either way is fine. But I know I have my van, my Pleasure Way, XLTS, right here with me to do whatever I want to do in it. And I just love it. Till next time, guys, I'm the RV dummy, Dr. Dave. Enjoy your life now. Don't wait.